Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we discuss auto accidents, finance, insurance, and credit. So today have a very special treat for you today, because if you click on this video, you see the title, How to Fix Your Credit Fast for Beginners. So I'm gonna give you 3 quick steps that's gonna help you in your credit journey as you start this journey along to trying to fix your credit. So first, get a copy of your credit report. Now, I know that seems very simple, right? How in the world can you fix your credit if you don't know what's on it? So that's the purpose of getting a credit report. So you can do this free, because a lot of companies are going to charge you to sign up for their service so you can get a copy of your credit report. But you can get this information for free. You can get a free credit report at www.annualcreditreport.com, annualcreditreport.com. This came out because the government allowing everyone to get a free copy of their credit report. You can get from all the 3 major bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. And so once you get that credit report, what you want to do is look for inaccuracies. Approximately 80% of credit reports have some kind of inaccuracy on it. So you may have something in your credit report saying that you paid 30 days late and you never paid late. It could be so many different things that's on your credit report that could be hurting you. So you want to get a copy of that credit report and dispute those items so you can get that off your credit report so you can have a better credit score. So secondly, which is very simple, and you might have heard this in other places, but you need to pay your credit cards and other loans and other credit liabilities on time. You have to pay these things on time. It is so crucial because it makes up about 35% of your FICO and credit score. So you definitely want to make sure that you pay these things on time. If you do not, it's really going to kill your credit score. So if you're not paying things on time, you need to start doing that right now. And somebody's saying, well, hey, Randy, well, what's paying it on time? What that means is that you're paying it by the due date. So every credit card statement, every loan that you may have has a due date. So you want to make sure that you pay these things by the actual due date. Now, also, generally you have 30 days before they report you to the credit bureau. So technically you can pay it late, but that's not a good deal at all, because you're going to be paying all these exorbitant fees, and they can actually raise your interest rate because you're paying them late. So you definitely don't want to fall into that trap of getting in a habit of paying things late. Do your best to pay these things on time. Also, they can set up auto payment, which I know a lot of people don't like, right? They can just take this from my account, but it actually helps you where you can just pay the minimum payment that's due, just so you won't be late. So, and last but not least, and how to increase your credit score fast for beginners, you can actually become an authorized user on someone else's account. So what you want to do, maybe you're younger, maybe you can get on your mom's credit card, or maybe, your dad's credit card, or other family member or somebody that you may know looking to help you out. Now, what they can do is make sure that you don't have access to the credit card, so you can't use it and spend it. You don't know their credit card number or anything like that, but they can add you as an authorized user. This is very great, because what happens is whatever credit limit that they have on their account, it will get reported onto your credit report. So say, for example, your mom has a $20,000 credit card limit on her, let's say, Chase Bank card. So say, for example, she has this $20,000 credit limit, but however, she has, no balance at all. So she adds you, all she has to do is call the credit card company and say, I want to add this person authorized user. She'll provide your social security number, of course, your name, maybe your date of birth, etc. And then at the next time they report to the credit bureau, it will be added onto your credit report. So because a lot of what's called a credit score, a lot of those things are comprised of course, we talked about that a moment ago in terms of, your payment history, pay your responsibilities on time, but also what plays a big part into that is your credit usage. So the lower that you have your credit usage, which means that you're not really spending a lot on your credit card obligations. So say, for example, if you have the $20,000 credit card, but you use 19,000 of it, that's a very high usage, and it makes you look risky to other lenders. So that's why you want to definitely keep it low. But in this case, you know, somebody else is taking care of that, but it can actually be added onto your credit. So this is going to really bump up your credit score. So these are the 3 things that I wanted to give you in terms of how to increase your credit score fast. So definitely don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're new to this channel, definitely like and subscribe to my channel, like this video. Of course, if you've been around for a while, you're already a subscriber, definitely like this video because it helps us to get the more word out to a lot of different people. So we're gonna be doing another video next week. So I can't wait to see you all next week. Thanks a lot. Take care.